Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create simple vector geometric pattern background design in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a polygon outlined shape. Outline stroke size 6 point. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Select shape and reduce to small size with Shift key. Swap stroke to fill, Shift X and none outline color. You can give different shades of colors to them. Again, copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Select shape and reduce to small size with the Shift key. Outline stroke, size 6 point. Go to Object menu and Blend options. Specify steps 8. Go to Object menu and Blend and make Alt Ctrl B. Again go to Object menu and Expand. Select Object and Fill and Stroke. Right click and ungroup. Shift Ctrl G. Give different stroke sizes and outline colors. You can give different shades of colors to them. Select shapes and go to Object menu and Path and Outline Stroke. Select shape and reduce to small size with the Shift key. Go to Object menu and Pattern and Make. Tile type XY column. Click on Done. Draw a horizontal box and apply pattern from the swatches panel. Finally, vector geometric pattern background design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's an easy way to create pattern background in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.